Supercars, sedans, SUVs, but can you spot the most expensive one? Let's find out. Let's warm up with some luxury giants. Which one carries the bigger price? Which one costs more? Ferrari's badge alone adds a fortune. Pick the pricier ride. The ragging ball isn't cheap. Which one worth more? That V10 adds serious value. Guess the car brand from this luxury interior. The spirit of ecstasy never hides for long. Which one is more expensive? The Italian newcomer edges out. Who costs more? Luxury and power don't come cheap. Alright, the prices rise higher. Which one drains the wallet more? Which one is more expensive? Futuristic tech at futuristic price. Who takes the crown in price? Italian elegance is never cheap. Which one is pricier? Superleggera means super expensive too. Which one would you rather? Both are dream cars, but only one can fit in your garage. Who's more expensive? Luxury royalty wins again. Which one breaks the bank more? SUV or not, it's still a ragging bull. Now things get intense. 3 cars, one is worth the most. Choose carefully. Which is the most expensive? F1 inspired tech at the jaw-dropping price. Pick the priciest machine. Rolling art comes at an artistic price. Which is worth more? Exclusive and rare makes it sky high. Guess the car's price. Unexpected, right? Who costs more? A rare Bugatti always dominates the price charts. Which one is the priciest? US exclusive McLaren gem. You have reached the final round. 4 hypercars, only one with the ultimate wallet breaker. Which one is the most expensive? The ultimate luxury statement. Pick the costliest car. A long-tail masterpiece with a long price tag. Which one is the priciest? A ragging ball worth a ragging fortune. Guess the headlights. Sharp, futuristic, unmistakably Lamborghini. Who costs more? Track monster with a monstrous price. The ultimate challenge. The single most expensive car in the world today. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell us how much did you hit in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.